What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be replacing my radiator. Unfortunately, when I got to the gym yesterday, my radiator decided to split open right here on the plastic end. And that's not a major leak that I wasn't able to get home, but it's enough that it was spraying out and I lost probably a gallon of coolant. While it is unfortunate, I'm just going to take this as an opportunity to make a video and bring y'all along to make it a tutorial, I guess. So I'm going to show you where it failed on me. As you can see right here, it split open. I guess plastic fatigues after being 21 years old. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is remove this lower radiator hose to drain the coolant. Now this has a normal screw type hose clamp. Good luck if you have these. As you can see, the color of that antifreeze, it's pretty much brand new. I just replaced it not even 2 weeks ago. And you're crazy if you think I ain't gonna reuse it. Alright, while that continues to drain, let's go ahead and remove this radiator support cover. There are 4 push pin screw things. One here, here, and there, and there. Good luck actually getting these out with a screwdriver. I just go ahead and stick a little small flathead in there and pry it out. Okay, so next I'm going to remove the coolant reservoir. First thing, just pull the hose off and remove these two 10 millimeters. After that, it literally will just pull right up. I guess now would be a good time to remove the upper radiator hose from the radiator. Next, I'm going to undo the electrical connector on the radiator fan. Forgot, you just kind of press down, pull out. Now, remove these push pins. Wiring loom push pins. On the radiator fan, we've got two 8 millimeters, one right here and one on the other side. You just pull up on the radiator like that, and it's loose. There's one of those on each side. Now, holding the radiator itself in, we have these two brackets on top, each have an 8 millimeter bolt holding them in. The radiator mounts on the bottom as well the exact same way with this rubber grommet isolator and this same little nipple that comes off. You just gotta pull up a little bit and kind of finagle it out. Wow, this thing was more hoopa-jooped than I thought it was. Cracked all the way up here along this little thing. Ooh. You see it's kind of going down through here as well. It's crazy. Okay, so I got my brand new radiator here, and here's the old one. It looks nasty. It is nasty. Now I can see I'm gonna have to remove this U-nut and move it to here, but that one's got like a captured nut in there for some reason. I don't know. I got this one for 45 bucks off of the Facebook market. Practically brand new. Guy bought it for his GT, made it work, and then he went ahead and decided to put a GT radiator in it. This probably wasn't even ran in there for a month. But this was an automatic transmission radiator, as well as what mine is, because my car used to be an automatic. So now I have no use for these transmission cooler inputs for the radiator. So I just stuff them with tinfoil just to keep any dirt daubers or whatever from getting in there. So out with the old and in with the new. Chris Fix. Okay, so picking up both of these radiators, I felt that the old one seems to feel heavier than a new one for some reason, so I'm gonna weigh them. 10 pounds, 13.8 ounces. 10 pounds, 14 ounces. 8 pounds, 10.6 ounces. So, over 2 pounds lighter for some reason. I don't think there's that much dirt in the old one, but thumbs up for weight reduction. Okay, now we can say out with the old and in with the new. Okay, with the radiator in, I'm gonna go ahead and put the mounting brackets back on top. This little tab that sticks off goes into that hole right there. Let me just snug these up. Click. Okay, so now we're going to put the radiator fan back in. Now, this right here, they go into right there, and right there, and they slip down in there. Now we just put in the bolts. These just have to be snug. They don't have to be super tight. And don't forget to plug up your radiator fan. You'll be wondering why your air conditioner doesn't work when you're standing still and your car starts to overheat. I feel like now's a good time to put the lower radiator hose back on. Now coolant reservoir. Click. Upper radiator hose. Alright, now we just filled up with coolant. I told you I was going to reuse this coolant. I did run it through a really fine screen first to catch anything that might have been in there, but that's practically brand new coolant still. like I'm going to call that another successful install. Got her topped off with coolant. Got all the air bled out of it. Heat's working great. Temperature staying cool. I don't see any leaks anywhere. Went for a test drive. Temperature stayed right where it should. Call that a success. Now it's funny. I started this process of installing my radiator at about like 5 o'clock this afternoon. And it is now 10:25. It's funny how a 30-minute job turns into a 5-hour job when you're trying to film and set up a camera trying to make a YouTube video, but whatever. So if you liked the video or if you found it helpful, you can leave a like if you want. Also subscribe if you want some more Mustang content, hopefully. Anyways, thanks for watching.